Okay. Now put the cream. Mix it up first. I don't know the salt. I think it's not enough. You stand this side because you are making the thing not brighter. Why are you getting farther? You think it's nice?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. Is it a salad?
Yeah.
It'll be nice with potatoes.
Huh?
And cucumbers. It would be nice with potatoes and cucumbers.
What potatoes? There is tomato.
Okay, whatever. I don't care.
Okay, let's put this.
You put coleslaw in it. Huh? Huh?
I put mayonnaise and mustard and
Coleslaw. How about coleslaw?
You buy me?
No, you say you still got coleslaw. I don't like mustard. Mayonnaise.
I wish I have olive oil, but I don't have already. I don't know what's the taste of this.
On the light.
Hmm?
Can I do like that?
Mm.
But then the place will be darker.
Super. See, somebody is finding food to makan. I wonder what's the taste.
Is this a salad?
Yeah.
I'll take a picture. One picture. Nice.
My own version of salad, but I don't know it's nice. Eh. Try already. Try to eat Mimi. What's the taste? Eh, do properly. You take the video also the messy thing.
Nice.
Hmm?
That's nice.
Really, meh?
Yeah. That's I ate cucumber and tomato.
I don't know, it's really nice. Closer to the thing, why you must move up?
Cause it's like cannot take the entire plate.
Jimmy.
Look, it's taking half of the plate.
Okay, mix it already. Let's try it.
And let me take one picture. Here.